DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark with DecoArt, we are making scrap wood robots. Now you probably have a few pieces of scrap wood left over from one of your DIY projects, and it's perfect for a project like this. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave DecoArt a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello to DecoArt. Are you ready? Let's make some scrap wood robots. Americana acrylics come in a ton of different colors, and they're perfect for a project like this. So pick your favorites, and don't forget to make your mark with DecoArt. I'll see you next week.